In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option specifying tree dwellers. For this, let me ignore the wrong option with appropriate explanation so that we can conclude with the correct option. The tropical rainforest is the best type of forest for an animal to live in since it has a hot, humid climate with frequent rain. Temperate deciduous forest is exactly indicating increased amount of carbon dioxide emission. The coniferous forest is also known as suitable forest just because these trees have pine cones and the tannin in the needles are acidic in nature, which leads to the leaching of the soil. Thorn woodland is also not a suitable place for animal to live in because this forest is not well stratified. With this specification, we are choosing option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B, and D.